To you, where is or what is the best tourist spot in Mayuyao?
Video kay ko.
Again, to you, where is or what is the best tourist spot in Mayuyao?
Thank you for giving such a good question. For me, the best tourist spot here in Mayoyao is the Orolong viewpoint because it is up there where you can view the central panoramic vital of the central Mayoyao. And plus, it is also good for the health because you're going to have a trek to go out there. And that is my answer. I thank you.
Alright, thank you so much. Alright, let's give a round of applause to female candidate number 1. Alright, then we also have female candidate number 2.
So before we ask the question, let me ask them, kinakabahan ka ba? Right, so are you ready? So the third question. Number 5.
Alright, here's the question. Are you ready? Alright. What do you think is the most challenging task for our local officials to solve? Again, I repeat. What do you think is the most challenging task of our local officials to solve?
Ladies and gentlemen, before I answer that question, I would like first to acknowledge the presence of each and everybody in this room because I believe that perhaps without you guys, this homecoming will be quite impossible. Furthermore, I want to address the question, what is the most difficult task that our local officials has to face? I believe that the most difficult task for them to overcome is their struggles within themselves. I am a psychology major and please do hear my reasons behind this. Every person has these phases wherein they get to undergo their trials and temptations within their lives. And sometimes we need to overcome these things in order to successfully sustain what we truly wanted and what we truly have to aim within our lives. And ladies and gentlemen, I would love to speak in behalf of our local officials that we citizens here in our hometown, please let us refrain in judging them. Instead, let us understand them, let us bear with their pain, and once again, witness how they become the most influential local officials here in our hometown as they utilize their sustained knowledge and skills from their past experiences. Ladies and gentlemen, please do have a prosperous New Year. Thank you.
Wow, that's a nice answer.
Here we also have female candidate number 3.
Giving up, choose the number.
Alright, question number 4. Are you okay? Are you ready? Okay, just relax, alright? Here's the question.
Yeah.
May I ask for you, please come here.
Kaya parang nyo right now. How are you feeling right now? Normal lang ang kabahan. Pero may maniraos ulit yan.
Alright. Alright, candidate number 4. Hi, candidate number 3. Here's your question. Is our cholar or fuar practice good or bad? Okay, again, I repeat. Is our cholar or fuar practice good or bad? Then why? Alright, let me repeat for the last time. Is our cholar or fuar practice good or bad? Then why?
Cholar is good. QR is bad.
Good evening, Mayuyao. I believe that Tolar and Fuar is a good one because first, it is our culture and it is our identity as Emma Jojo. And second, it is an opportunity to the relatives to gather together to share the eulogy to the departed ones. And departed ones and to give comfort to the family that they are not alone, that their loss is the loss of the community, that their loss is the loss of the community, and their mourn and cry is also a cry of the community. Thus, this is strengthened the community relationship that despite of the expenses, its impact is more important or more priceless. Thank you.
Answer, sorry. Ang pwede ko yung answer, kami na to ako sa tanong ngayon. Kasi ako din eh, sumakit yung hindi ko lang.
Alright, partner, nung
Private me.
yes, kahit hindi ako taga-Mayuyon, no? I'm from Hilion, pero nung sinagot niya, yung cholar at fuar, the departed ones, so parang sa amin ates, ito yung, anong tawag dito? Bogwa ata sa amin. Alright, so, ay iba. Oh, Ma'am Esther is saying no. So, I don't know.
Maybe we can ask her.
Okay, sige. Tanungin natin mamaya. Oh, at least, kaya nga, very good na meron mga judge natin para at least alam nila.
That's right.
Alright? So then we have feeling candidate number 4.
Ayan, so,
Tama nga, siya. Di ba siya yung nanalo ng weeks of smile, no?
yes.
Sa all.
Napakalim ng mukha, diba?
Please pick your number.
Picture lang yung number. Right, so,
Okay.
number 7.
Alright. Your question. Here's your question. If given 100 million budget, what would be your priority to finance? Again, if given 100 million budget, what would be your priority to finance?
You ready? Do you need an interpreter?
Grabe
You
na
can answer
naman.
it.
First of all, good evening to everyone who is present here today and happy homecoming. For me, if I will be given 100 million, it will be a big value that I can donate or I can give to the that I can finance to healthcare facilities here in Mayuyo. Because as we know that here in Mayuyo, we really need healthcare facilities which have complete equipment so that we, the constituents or the members of this municipality will have all the needed equipment for us to be healthy and be given a chance for to be more healthy and to promote human development. And I thank you.
There you have it. Thank you so much.
There you go, partner. Maraming
Itawin yung 100 million.
Oo, maraming salamat. Candidate number 4. Partner, kanina, nung sinasagot niya
Well, I must agree. If, kung ako natatanong yung bibigyan ako ng 100 million, ano mo ako gagawin? Of course.
Okay. So, again, from the organizer, kapag nag-freeze ang candidate na hindi siya sumagot muna, please, wag muna tayong mag-interrupt, ha? Wag tayong mag-boo, or whatsoever, para makapag-isip naman sila, okay? Kasi mahirap yung nandito sa harap tapos nandyan kayo na nagsasalita or nagbubu sa kanila. Alright?
Yes, that's for the benefit of everyone. So,
Yeah.
okay, so let's proceed now to candidate number 5. Are you ready? Candidate number 5. Take your number.
I like your tattoo.
Yeah, it's so amazing.
Alright? Number 10. So question number 10 goes this way. Are you okay? Are you ready? Okay. How can you uplift the lives of your fellow Imajawjaws? Again, how can you uplift the lives of your fellow Imajawjaws?
Thank you, sir, for the beautiful question. I, as a simple citizen, can uplift the life of Imajawjaw by inspiring each and every one of us. Inspire you to stand here in front of us like me, to get out from your comfort zone and improve yourselves. Thank you.
Alright?
Keep it simple and short.
Yeah. Oo, so hopefully na-inspire mo sila na dito ka na sumali dito sa
That's
akin.
right. And if you were to ask Sir Jawe, if you will be crowned as Mr. Homecoming tonight, what is the essence of being Mr. Homecoming? So,
Me,
yeah.
if given a chance, I guess my height is not enough to be Mr. Homecoming, no? Alright? So, pwede siguro ako sa kids category.
Pwede rin naman dito eh. Okay.
Alright? Okay, may we have our female candidate number 6. Takat?
Oo, mas makakalapakan sa akin eh. And pick your number. So it's number 12.
Alright, it's the number 12. And here's your question. Are you okay? Okay. Oh, listen, wag muna tayo magsalita ha? Okay. Number 12, here's your question. How can you implement liquid waste management, especially our MOMA, TUPA? Again, how can you implement liquid waste management, especially our MOMA or the TUPA? Okay? I'll repeat. Okay. Oh, wala akong sasalita. Okay? How can you implement liquid waste management, especially our MOMA, TUPA?
As a youth, I can help implement. I can help promote.
Again, the question, how can you implement liquid waste management, especially our MOMA?
As a youth, I will urge the Sangguniang Kabataan to implement liquid waste management through proposing, by proposing speeding area and strictly implementing times that they will not abide. Let us show the world that we are a good example to everyone, and let us show that we are disciplined people, and let us that's all. Thank you.
Alright, there you have it.
Thank you so much, Alex number 6. Well, that was a tough question, but natawid na. Good job. Kung ikaw ang tatanungin, ha? How
Oo. Paano mo i-implement yun? Yun. Kung sa akin,
okay, if you will be asked that question, how will you answer the question?
I will,
How will you address it?
I will propose to sa kanyang kabataan that instead of speaking, di mo nga, you swallow.
Vitamin pa yun, diba?
Yes, vitamins,
Good for your health.
good for your lungs. Alright. Tapos na natin mga kababaihan, tawagin natin ang kalakihan.
Yes.
So there we have candidate number 1.
It's your number.
Alright. Number 11. Okay ka lang? Excited ka na sa question natin? Alright, very good.
Comments at all?
Alright.
Good job.
Here we have the question. The question goes this way. How can you contribute to the economic growth of our beloved Majau-Jau? Again, how can you contribute to the economic growth of our beloved Majau-Jau? Good evening, Mayuyaw!
Alright.
For me, again, how can you contribute to the economic growth of our beloved Majau-Jau?
Yan, economic growth.
I can contribute to the economic progress of Mayuyaw by advocating the IGP process, which is income generating process that can generate the money of Mayuyaw to my fellow youths. That will be all. And I thank you.
Gusto niyo pinilagay ko. May sumigaw doon, may tumingin.
Okay. Well, kaya nga, tama lang dito, no? Kaya dapat yung mga kabataan ngayon, dapat matutunan tayo mag-business. Di ba?
Yeah, especially nowadays.
Oo. Magbenta na. Oo, magbenta ng laman loob, pang-iPhone. Ay, hindi. Joke lang. Hindi yun.
Pero hindi mo for iPhone 14, di ba?
Oo. Pero we are encouraging you to go on business. Mag-business na din tayo. Ako hanap kuya nyo I'm starting also.
Yes, that's
Oo.
right. So it's your chance to promote your business. Actually,
Yes,
we have
okay.
a platform.
Yes, nagtitinda ako ng balon sa inyo. Yes. That's business.
Oh yeah, parang package yun, di ba?
Alright. Okay, maybe also candidate number 2.
Yeah, it's your number.
And your number 1. Alright. And here's your question. Okay ka lang? Alright. Makita ka naman? Excited ka? Your question goes this way. What can you suggest to solve the frequent power brownout here in Mayuyaw? Again, I repeat the question. What can you suggest to solve the frequent power brownout here in Mayuyaw?
Ayan, so... We will start answering the question.
Hi.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and to the Board of Judges. First and foremost, I want you to know that our hometown Mayuyao is commonly prone to natural calamities, which is also one factor or contributory factor for the frequent power interruption here in our municipality. However, I will suggest that our local government, which is Mayuyao, will work together in other municipalities here in Ifugao who are experiencing the same issue or concern to be able to make a collaborative plan and reach out to our electric cooperative provider, which is the EVELCO, in order for them to improve their service and at the same time hire more skilled workers to monitor and fix power interruption or other concerns that affect this issue or concern, which is power interruption. And that would be all, and I thank you.
Thank you, candidate. Main candidate number 2.
Akala ko nga ang solusyon ni Bilobit kasi nakapasok. Lalo na yun, social media na no, ipapatulog ko. Kaya ipapatulog ko na yan. Ganun, di ba?
Actually, pati sa Lagawe, kung saan ako nakatira, kapag brown out, isa ako na bumabatikos talaga sa event ko.
Diba?
Pag na brown out, sabi ko, ako ang magsisimula ng webcam dito sa Ifugao. Maraming kabataan na sabi, sige kuya, sama kami. O dito ka, di ba? So, pwede ano kayo mag-welcome, ano?
Pero I love this answer.
Alright.
Thank you so much. Number 2.
Maybe I'll try candidate number 3. Alright, number 8. And your question goes this way. Are you good? Are you okay? Alright. Your question is, are you in favor of the small town lottery operating in our town? Justify your answer. Again, are you in favor of the small town lottery operating in our town? Justify your answer.
I am not in favor with the implementing of lottery here because it is by the youth by gambling and crimes, and it will be an example of having other crimes here in our country, for example, here in our municipality, and it will be a cause of misunderstanding of every family, and that should be all. And I thank you.
Alright, thank you so much. Very candidate number 3. So, he is not
Antay siya.
alright, kasi narinig natin yung sinabi niya. Are you a criminology student?
Feeling ko lang. Yeah, feeling pala siya. Technologist.
Alright, thank you so much. Main candidate number 2. Maybe also have main candidate number 4.
So your number is number 6.
Okay, your question number 6. Okay ka lang? Nakaready ka na? Alright, number 6. What is the effect of the pandemic to you? I repeat. What is the effect of the pandemic to you?
Thank you, sir. Good evening to one and all. During the pandemic this past 3 years, it had greatly affected so much of my studies. Because during our training in Philippine Merchant Marine Academy, we were not able to go with our studies with face-to-face with our instructors, so we had to strike from our lessons, and we had to study for ourselves, research for ourselves. And also during the pandemic, during my second class, I had a hard time to find a company to go for my OPT or the onboard training. So now I have to wait for next year, month of July 2023, for me to return to my school. So as we all know, everybody or almost everyone had greatly affected during the pandemic. Other businesses closed, and so the youth who had to do the online class. And I know that, and I feel inside that we want to study, we want to do it face to face with the instructors in order for us to learn and improve our skills for the future, and for us to return home with dignity and honor for our hometown, Mayo. I thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 4, for that answer.
Ang hirap ng tanong na yun, ha? Oh.
Binigay siya sa kanyang sariling experience.
Oo.
So it's coming from his son.
Hindi ka ba, di ba masakit ang utak mo ng pandemic?
Well, I was affected by pandemic, especially sa mga nagtatrabaho in the city, di ba? You know, lockdown. I'm actually a COVID survivor, but thanks God, I survived.
Alright, there you go. So may also have candidate number 5. Number 2, and your question. Okay ka lang? Kaya ba? Alright. And here's a question. If in the future you run for mayor here in Mayuyaw, what would be your platform or advocacy and why? Again, if in the future you run for mayor here in Mayuyaw, what would be your platform or advocacy and why?
Alright, so your time starts now. Your time starts now.
Okay, thank you for that beautiful question. My platform is, it could be the registration of all the business in our municipality, as it will generate fair income through BIR, and I thank you.
Alright! Tama naman. Oo.
O ikaw mo partner, kung patanong kita, ikaw na naman.
Oo, sige.
Kung ikaw ang magiging, mayor ng Ifugao, or dahil sa mayor, magiging platform mo.
Mayor dito ng Mayuyaw.
Oo.
Siyempre, ako munang gagawin, mag-aasawa muna ako ng taga Mayuyaw.
Diba? Sa mga singyan dyan!
Diba? Pero, please lang, huwag muna sa 2025 kasi baka talunin mo si Mayor, ha? Huwag muna.
May plano ka.
Alright, okay. Then we have candidate number 6. Last number, we have number 9. Okay ka lang? Ready ka lang sumagot? Okay. Really quick out para at least relax. Alright, there you go. Number 9. To you, what is the essence of this year's homecoming? Again, to you, what is the essence of this year's homecoming?
Excited siya.
Thank you for the question, sir. To me, I think that the essence of homecoming is to give comfort and relief to those homesick and away from New York, and to bring forth camaraderie and solidarity in the community. Thank you.
There you go.
Thank you for that wonderful questions, and you guys, good job everyone. Ay, agree ba kayo sa lahat? Ang gagaling nyo na sumagot, di ba? Sa lahat ng mga tanong. Di ba? So for that, let's give them a round of applause. Kung ako yung tatanungin, gusto iba.
Okay. Habang inaantay try natin kasi medyo nahihirapan ang ating mga boy and Santos eh. Ikaw ang tanungin ko, what is the essence of Miss Homecoming? Yes.